Today, I'll show you how to downgrade from iOS 18 to a previous version right from your phone without using a computer. Whether you're facing bugs or just prefer the older version, I've got two easy methods for you, so let's get started. Before we dive in, here are a few important notes. Apple only signs the previous iOS version for a limited time, so you may not be able to downgrade if too much time has passed. Always back up your device to prevent any data loss. Alright, let's move on to the methods. Method 1, using the Settings app. Open the Settings app on your phone, go to General, tap on Software Update. If a previous version is still being signed, you might see an option to install it here. Tap on Download and Install if available and follow the prompts. The method is straightforward but only works if Apple is still signing the older version. If not, let's check out method 2. Method 2, using the if the first method didn't work, you can try this. Back up your current iOS version to iCloud to ensure you have a recent copy of your data. Once the backup is done, go back to Settings, tap on General, scroll down and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Erase all content and settings. Confirm your selection. This will erase your devices and return it to factory settings. After erasing, when your iPhone restarts, you can set it up as a new or restore from your iCloud backup. Keep in mind that this method effectively resets your device, so make sure your important data is backed up. And that's it. You've learned two ways to downgrade from iOS 18 without a computer.